How to view recent transactions in Ali Bank online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to see your latest account activity, well here is how to check recent transactions in Ali Bank online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Ali Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Ali Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in you'll land on the account overview page. So there you just have to select the account you want like checking, savings or money market and this will open your account detail page where you will see a list of your most recent transactions including deposits, withdrawals and purchases. And you can filter by date range or type like pending, cleared or specific categories for a clearer view. And for deep tracking, you can download the transaction list as a statement or export it to Excel or Quicken. And there you can keep an eye on pending items. And that's it. That's how you can view recent transaction in Ali Bank online banking. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.